the back.
Okay. Please don't. But I you too. I've been sick of that.
You were talking about the mid-1800s, would be shown from mother to daughter. So it's a 5-piece braid, 3 on one side, 2 on the other side. The side I have 3 from the exterior, I go over, under, and transfer it to the other side. Same thing. You build it into it, and
You're into 50-50.
White turkey.
Evenings are best for me, or weekends. Yeah, because I work during the day. I often have sons at 5 o'clock. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's a big deal.
I don't know what they have to go down and find out.
Run across the arena, grab that 4-foot chunk of wood, put it in the bunk. Saw that in half with the bow saw. Scotty and Nick, both good guys in the bow saw. Making that look easy. Good cut there by Nicky. Right behind Sears and Terrence. You got to get it 3, 4 for Mario. Chop a little notch in the side of that tree. Get that in there deep enough so they can hold their weight on that little board. Scotty's got a good looking board there. Nice board. See how that's holding him right up? He's just got to stay on that long enough to get that second pocket. The second pocket is way more important because you're going to be on it for a lot longer. But it's a close race here. It's neck and neck. Anybody's game. Who's going to be up to the top first? Both of them checking out them pockets, making sure they're real good. Get that board in there nice and snug. Scotty's up on the second board. Great board there by Scotty. See how that board's staying up nice and flat? That's what you want. Real good board. Let's cheer these guys on. Help them through that block on top. It's anybody's race here in the final competition, the springboard chop. Sponsored today by Armtac. It's anybody's race here. Scotty turning around to the backside. Want to get a little chip out of there. Mario finishing up on the front side. Mario's got a little bit more sag in his board. There it is, Scott Reed, Sears Insurance. Mario around to the backside. One more hit here and he'll be right up. All right, let's get both of them. It's neck and neck. Oh! 1 for 10 from our GM. Who thinks Nicky's going to win the single buck saw? Who thinks Jeff's going to tie up the score for Sears Insurance? Lumberjacks ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Get a good start. Push and pull that saw as fast as you can. Great cut going over here by Jeff Larkin on Team Sears Insurance. Great cut. Let's give both them guys a big...
Here we go. All right, Easter Bunny. Let's go real fast. Who's going to be my timer?
Stop the clock, I'm all done. Stop the clock. That's pretty good. Yeah, he did this one here pretty fast. Everybody, my buddy, want to see it? There it is. Hey!
Oh, I don't know, Marvin. A lot of folks out here. They came out here to see a bunny.
I don't think so.
You guys can't see it?
You really can.
It looks like the one I saw this morning on my way here on the highway.
Oh, Marvin, we're not talking about roadkill.
That's something we're
Look,
doing.
all these crowd came here. Let's show them a bunny.
A real rabbit, right? Long floppy ears, a face and everything. Is that what you wanted to see? All right.
Kind of looks like long floppy ears.
And now for the hard part.
That's a face.
Yeah, there it is.
I think a rabbit has a little bit more than floppy ears and a smiley face. I think we need a little bit more detail. I want some more detail. Whiskers.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that part. I'll do it next. Detail, I'll put it in the back. And then...
Oh no! Oh no! Marvin! Okay, hey, I got it! I'm coming. Don't look. Fluffy eyebrows? Ah! Fixed! Oh, Marvin. You made a terrible curve. You ruined it. You might as well just go out back and take a seat. Take your gear off. Go have a Gatorade.
It's a chair.
I said go back and take a seat.
Get the microphone? You want it? Come on up and see if it fits. Where are we? Let's see if it fits you. Oh, yeah, it fits you pretty good. This is Leah, everybody. Can you do a few things for me? Can you give me 5? Can you give me 5, Leah? All right, can you wave to all them nice people out there? Can you say hi to all them nice people? Yeah. Okay, one more thing. Is your mom here today or your dad? Is your mom here? Are you the mother? Can she have the chair? Sure can. All right, that'll be $50, lady. No, we're going to give her that chair for being brave and coming up. Let's give her a big round of applause. That's a souvenir from Steel Chainsaw from the Sackville Fall Fair. All right, no problem. All right, we're going to get right back into competition. All right, the hot sauce. 3 cuts, 1 down, second one back up, third one down. It's going to take about 4 seconds if they do it right. What? Who is winning? Every time I tell the score, somebody yells at me out here. What's the score? 4-4? What? Don't. What is it? For who? 5-4 for Sears and 2. 1, go.